Welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how you can buy Robux using GCash. Just to make it clear, you cannot buy Robux directly from the GCash app, but you can pay it via the Google Play Store and GCash as its payment method. So first, open your Google Play Store app and go to your profile, go to Payment and Subscription, and choose Payment Methods. You will see here the Add GCash button. Just hit that button and it will redirect you to a confirmation page. Just check the box and hit the Authorize button. It will ask for an OTP that will be sent to your phone number. OTP stands for one-time password. Just enter the code and now click Next. Once you have successfully linked your GCash to your Google Play Store, just go back to your Roblox app and go to the Roblox Buy page. Choose the amount of Robux you want to buy and click the Buy button. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.